how to install PBB 3126 white plastic bottle trap. Accessories: flat washer, basin plastic bottle trap complete with fixed nut 240mm vertical pipe, flange 300mm horizontal pipe. Place flat washer in the fixed nut and connect 240mm vertical pipe to the pop-up waist. Loosen bottle trap round nut to slide vertical pipe to desired length and tighten accordingly. Install 300mm horizontal pipe with flange and tapered washer facing inwards. Fill with water. Release the pop-up waist to allow water flow. Check for any leakage by closing outlet pipe with your palm. If leakage detected, ensure all above procedures were done as per video instructions.